Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to use the latest option from Elementor and load your fonts locally without the need for your website to connect to Google servers in order to receive the font informations, which in some cases might increase your page load time and affect your user experience on your website. Also, if you are watching from Europe, connecting your website to Google servers is prohibited by the European GDPR law, and you can pay a pretty high penalty for using it. So without further ado, let's dive in. Here we have the dynamic cards that we created in one of the previous videos, which use some specific fonts for the name of the profiles. If we go right click here and go inspect, then we go to the network, and here we go to the more filters and go to the third-party requests. If we refresh that page, you can see from all these third-party requests from here that there is a CSS family link that leads to Google servers, which is prohibited by European laws, and it might slow down your website, as I already mentioned. And now I will show you how to disable it and make the fonts load from your own server. So we will return back to the WordPress dashboard, and here we go to the Elementor and settings option. Then we will go to the features, and under the features you can see the newly added load Google fonts locally, which in most cases is set to the defaults. In this case we will go to activate it and go down and save the changes. After saving the changes, when we return back to the page with the cards, as you can see, we can refresh it again, and after refreshing, as you can see, the page didn't load the Google font and didn't call the Google servers here. This way you make your website load faster, and it's GDPR compliant, at least regarding connecting to the Google servers, which is prohibited. And that's it. See you in the next video. Bye.